Mechanical keyboards provide faster response, durable switches, tactile feedback, and customizable features essential for precision, comfort, and immersive gaming. Today's video is about top 5 best mechanical keyboards for gaming that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Asus Wireless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The ROG TKL keyboard perfectly blends compact design with full-size functionality, featuring a layout just 1 cm wider than an 80 keyboard while retaining a number pad like a 96 model. Its versatile tri-mode connectivity ensures seamless use via Bluetooth, up to 3 devices, low latency 2.4 GHz wireless with ROG SpeedNova, or a wired USB connection, offering up to 1,500 hours of battery life in wireless mode. Typing feels exceptional thanks to pre-lubed, hot-swappable ROG NX switches. Choose smooth, Faki linear snow switches or tactile, clicky storm switches. Integrated sound dampening foam and switch pads minimize pinging, delivering a satisfying acoustic experience. Per-key RGB lighting adds both style and clarity. Designed for gaming, streaming, and productivity, it includes programmable hotkeys, a multifunction wheel for media and lighting, and full macro support. Ergonomics are excellent with 3 tilt positions and a detachable wrist rest. The package also includes a 2-in-1 keycap and switch puller, wireless receiver, USB extender, ROG-themed spacebar, USB cable, and ROG sticker, everything you need for a premium, customizable keyboard experience. Now our second product is Tecknet Gaming Keyboard. The Tecknet ergonomic keyboard is designed to elevate your typing and gaming experience. Its 7-degree input angle and stepped key layout, combined with integrated wrist rests, keep your hands in a natural position, reducing fatigue during long sessions. Built with durable ABS keycaps and a sturdy metal base, it delivers satisfying tactile feedback and lasting durability. Lighting is a standout feature, with 15-zone RGB backlighting, 7 illumination modes, and 4 brightness levels. Keys are easy to locate even in low light, and the keyboard automatically enters sleep mode after 30 minutes of inactivity, easily reactivated with any key or FN plus peg down. The whisper quiet gaming switches ensure near-silent operation, ideal for both work and play, supporting up to 15 million keystrokes. IP32 spill resistance with 4 drainage holes and a removable key cover adds extra protection. With 25 anti-ghost keys and 12 multimedia controls, the keyboard guarantees fast, precise input for gaming. Tecknet also provides lifetime support, giving users peace of mind with a reliable, versatile, and feature-packed keyboard for everyday computing and gaming needs. Our third product is Solakaka Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The Ki99 Pro wireless gaming keyboard combines versatility, performance, and style in a compact, 96 layout. Supporting triple-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Type-C wired, it maintains stable signals up to 10 meters and works seamlessly with Windows, macOS, PCs, laptops, and smartphones. Its massive 10,000 mAh battery minimizes charging frequency, ensuring uninterrupted work or gaming sessions. A multifunctional knob adds convenience, allowing easy adjustments of volume, media playback, and RGB lighting brightness. The keyboard's advanced gasket structure and 5-layer noise reduction system provide a smooth, low-vibration typing experience, ideal for long gaming marathons or office use. Hot-swappable 3/5 pin switches with a 1.2 mm flex-cut PCB let users customize tactile feedback without soldering. Durable PBT keycaps with dual-color injection resist wear and fading, offering a comfortable, non-slip surface. Full-key RGB lighting and side light bars support 16.8 million colors, fully adjustable via driver software or shortcut keys. Additional software allows macro programming, key remapping, and lighting. Customization, giving users complete control. The Ki99 Pro is a feature-rich, ergonomic, and visually stunning keyboard designed for gamers and professionals seeking performance and personalization. Now number 4, Tecware Spectre Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Spectre 75 mechanical keyboard combines innovation, performance, and style for an exceptional gaming and typing experience. Its standout feature is the 1.14-inch TFT LCD customizable screen, allowing users to upload GIFs and personalize their setup with dynamic visuals. Complementing this, the keyboard offers full per-key RGB lighting with 16.8 million colors and an immersive side underglow, creating vibrant light shows that enhance any gaming environment. Tri-mode connectivity ensures maximum versatility, supporting 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C connections, while the 4000 mAh battery delivers up to 400 hours of continuous usage. The gasket mount design, combined with multi-layer sound dampening foam, reduces vibration and noise, providing a smooth, stable typing experience. Ocean Gold Red linear switches deliver fast, precise, and buttery smooth actuation, perfect for both gaming and productivity. Built with durable PBT double-shot keycaps and 5-pin hot-swappable sockets, the keyboard allows easy switch replacement and ensures long-lasting performance. South-facing LEDs guarantee compatibility with most aftermarket switches, making the Spectre 75 a fully customizable, high-performance mechanical keyboard for gamers and enthusiasts alike. And our last choice is Redragon Wireless Gasket RGB Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K673 GB mechanical keyboard redefines typing comfort with its innovative gasket-mounted design. Unlike traditional screw-fixed keyboards, it uses precision-locked covers with gaskets to reduce noise and increase flexibility, delivering crisp, clean, and softer keystrokes. Its advanced noise dampening system combines 3.5mm PO foam, IXP switch foam, PET sound pads, bottom socket foam, silicone pads, and a silicone gasket, ensuring ultra-clean acoustics for a satisfying typing experience. Equipped with thick-looped custom mint Monvo linear switches, the keyboard offers smooth, cushioned travel and cozy tactile feedback. Hot-swappable sockets support nearly all 3/5 pin switches, allowing personalized customization. Tri-mode connectivity via USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0/5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless ensures seamless use across PCs, laptops, and other devices. The compact 81-key layout keeps the 65 form factor while adding a top function key row, eliminating FN combos and providing practicality without sacrificing desk space. A convenient one-knob control handles backlight brightness and media functions effortlessly. With its combination of ergonomic design, advanced acoustics, and versatile functionality, the Redragon K673 GB is a premium choice for gamers and professionals seeking performance, comfort, and customization in one sleek package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.